Okay then guys, Zach Train Spotter HD, and welcome back to another new video. And today I made the trip to Bradford-on-Avon. First ever visit to Bradford-on-Avon for a train video. Hope you all enjoyed the video, guys. You should see services from Great Western Railway, and you should see some freight as well. So that'll be the action you'll see here at Bradford-on-Avon today. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So as you just saw go out is a 16202, which is working a Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central to Portsmouth Harbour. Just got off that train to get to Bradford-on-Avon. So yeah, it should be made for a good video. Should see some nice variety. So as always, guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay guys, well that's the Great Western Railway service. Looks to be to Gloucester. It's a double turbo 165 130 at the back. Didn't know the number at the front. Didn't quite get here in time to see it, but there's that one. So we'll be back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay then guys, we're back in the video here at Bradford-on-Avon, and we should have two trains coming in shortly, one either side. Both of them are stopping here. One is a late running Great Western Railway service from Great Malvern to Warminster, and the other one is actually on time from Cardiff Central going to Portsmouth Harbour. I'm just trying to find out which one's going to come here in time. Hope you enjoyed this video I'm about to make here at Bradford-on-Avon today. Like I said, first time me recording here. I got to say, it's a very quaint, nice little station, Bradford-on-Avon. Nice two-platform station. This is a station I always wanted to come to, and people say that it's not a very busy station. It can be. I would recommend going during the weekday though, because I think you do get a bit more in the way of trains, and you get the extra freight train or two during the week as well. So I think weekends would be probably be a no-go, but yeah. Here's the service to Warminster, I believe. It says Cardiff Central. That might be the Cardiff Central service then. It's 158 750. This will be a 5-coach 158. So and we got the other train coming in now as well. So and this will be 166 212. The Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central about to depart. Rather busy service there, consider it's 5 coaches long. That's 158951 at the back. Thank God it's not the 959. I'm assuming the 959 is back in Exeter, so that's good. There she goes. That one's actually running late, that one, but this one behind me is actually on time. We'll keep the camera rolling, see this go out. Zoom into it, there we go. Had a look at the freight situation. I did miss one freight when I was about to come into Bradford-on-Avon, couldn't quite get here in time to see that one. But we should see 2 other freights if they both run. But we'll keep an eye on the freight situation. Hopefully they'll run, and that's the whole reason why I actually came to Bradford-on-Avon, to try and catch 1 or 2 freights. So I had a look at the train situation for today, and it was a good one. So yeah, there she goes. So we'll there you go, it's a tone. Oh, by the way, before I actually hold it, they have to give out a tone as they go under that bridge there, as you can tell. Obviously, as you know, in the first clip, the train I got off had to give a tone as well. So yeah, all trains that go underneath there, going that way, they have to give out a tone. Trains coming from that way, though, I don't think they have to, but this side they do. So quite unique, I have to say the least. So yeah. Okay then guys, we are back in the video here at Bradford-on-Avon, and coming in now is a Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central to Portsmouth Harbour. This one is on time. And this train will be run by the, just slowly coming up the line now, will be run by a turbo, and the number will be 166206. Seems to be getting a lot of looks today when the trains come in, in and out. I guess they haven't seen a person on the station holding the camera. You know, I get that a lot when I make train videos. I get a lot of unusual, unexpected, dirty looks, but part of the videoing, to say the least. Just go down here a bit more, a bit too far away from the train. See this, just keep the camera rolling a while. Yeah, this one's on time. It's good to see. So yeah, much later on in the video, like I said guys, we will see 1 or 2 freights, probably 2 freights. It was like the 2 scheduled freights that are scheduled to run this afternoon is running at the moment. It may be a 3rd one. If there's a 3rd one, that might be a bonus. We'll wait and see. Just depends on freight. They either come through early or they come through late. It's the nature of freight, isn't it? So yeah. I'm gonna keep camera rolling because you're gonna hear another tone here now. One, two, three. There you go. Okay guys, we're back here in the video at Bradford-on-Avon, and about to come through now will be an empty company stock Great Western IET from Castle Carey going to Bristol Temple Meads. There's 1 or 2 Great Western IET empty coach stock movements today as well, so that's good. That will add to the mixture in this video, and also if both of the freights does run and they do come through on time, happy days. No, she's coming up now. This is a 5-coach IET, and I believe this will be 800,007. Did kind of cheat on this one. I had a look. There we go. That movement is actually on time as well. Okay, coming in now, guys, will be a Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern from Warminster. This one's more or less on time, about a minute or two late. And this will be, yes, you guessed it, another turbo. Seen quite a lot of turbos today. Not a bad thing. We did see a 5-car 158 as well, so we have seen a nice little variety at the moment. Like I said, those 2 freight trains, if they do run, yeah, happy days of course. This is 166-214. We'll keep the camera rolling for this because I don't think it'll be around for very long. Very nice day here at Bradford-on-Avon, got to admit. Nice and sunny, quite warm, nice little breeze blowing. Very pleasant indeed. Yeah, quite like this station. Nice, quaint little station. She's about to close the doors down. Go now. Yep. Okay then guys, we're back in a couple more minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, we're back in the video, and coming in now is a Great Western Railway service from Gloucester going to Frome. This will be run by a 1158, which is good. 2 1-car 58s together. It should be 762 and 747 together. I don't know in which order. I think it may be the 762 at the front. No, it's the 747 at the front with the 762 at the back. Okay. Let's keep the car rolling. This won't be long until it leaves, obviously. This one is on time as well. Good to see, of course. So yeah, this video is a very unexpected bonus video, as I'm off work today, so obviously a nice little bonus indeed. So yeah. Okay, I think it's about to leave. 762 looking quite filthy from the sides there. Okay, there's that one then, guys. We'll be back in a couple of minutes with another train. Okay, we're back in the video, and coming in now is a Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour going to Cardiff Central. And I believe this is the return of the 166-204. Yes, indeed. Quite a busy train, but it's actually on time, would you believe? Okay, back to the park now. Will be the Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. Excellent. Okay guys, back in the video, and coming in now is a Great Western Railway service from Westbury going to Filton Abbey Wood. This one is on time, and it's another turbo, and it's 166-212. Surprisingly rather busy service, considering it's only going to Filton Abbey Wood. Yeah. Okay, back to the park now. Will be the Great Western Railway service to Filton Abbey Wood. Okay, coming in now is a Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central going to Portsmouth Harbour, and this is run by 2158s, be 769 and 749, I believe. Don't know if the 769 is at the front. I think the 769 is at the front. And this is on time. So the next train you will see after this one goes out will actually be, finally, the first of the two freight trains we will see today. Okay, so it's a 749 at the front, so the 769 will be at the back. Okay, we're just going to go a few steps back. And we'll come back in a few seconds once she goes out. Okay, about to go out now will be the Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour. There you go, 769 at the back. Nice tone there by the driver as it left. Thanks for that. Did make me jump a little bit. Okay guys, we're back in the video and about to come through now will be finally the first of the 2 freight trains we're going to see in this video. This will be a freight train from Wetlong Freightliners going to Southampton, trailer load of 1,475 tonnes. It looks like it's been hauled by a Class 66. Nice tone again. $66,529 doing the honours for that freight service. Carrying a decent load at the back, not the front. That's an interesting load, that. So, yeah. That's that freight train out the way then, guys. We will see another one, which is actually, believe it or not too far away. About 20 minutes or so away, and we'll see another freight train. So that'll be obviously good to see that as well. So, yeah, there we go. Okay, coming in now is a Great Western Railway service from Great Malvern going to Weymouth. This one is actually on time. It's 165,131 at the front, so this would be a double 165 turbo. That's different. With 165,134 at the back. So we should have a late running Great Western Railway service to Gloucester coming in shortly as well. That one's quite late actually, the one to Gloucester is about 25 odd minutes late. So yeah, we will see that come in and go out. So we'll come back in a few seconds once this goes out. Okay, going out now is the Great Western Railway service to Weymouth from Great Malvern. Okay guys, back to go out now will be the Great Western Railway service to Gloucester, a late running service to Gloucester, running about 25 minutes late. It's the 166,201. See why it's late as well. It's yeah, rather busy. It's part of the reason why it's late. There she goes. Okay guys, well we're back in the video and we should actually see 2 empty coach stock IETs going through. We got the 800-007 about to come back through again, going back to Castle Kerry, and we should have another one go through on the opposite side from Taunton going to Bristol Seven Meads. There's that one, just waiting on the other one, and the other one's about to come through now. And after this one goes through, it'll be a final train of the video, and that will be the freight train of the video. Yeah, that'll be the second freight train, and that'll be the last train of the video. This one's 800-036. Nice tone by the driver there, thanks for that. Okay, so we'll come back in a few seconds with the very final train of the video, and it'll be that freight train. So we'll come back then, guys. Okay guys, we're back with the final train of the video, and it'll be that second freight train from Fiat Puma going to Robston. Carrying a load of 600 tons. It's a good old Thrashy class 60. So I thought it was going to be. 60040 is the number on the locomotive. Carrying a good load. Looked like that was more than 600 tons, if you say the least. Okay, so as that freight train goes through, I will leave it here at Bradford-on-Avon on this Monday afternoon. Hope you enjoyed all these selection trains you've seen today. I've got to say, we've seen a lot of turbos. That was the main star, obviously. We did see one or two double 158s as well. That was a nice mixture. The IETs passing through on an empty coach stop movement. And we have another train coming in as well. I might as well just quickly get this on camera as well. This is a service to Portsmouth Harbour. It's 166213. There she is. That one's on time as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Very nice selection trains, like I said, from the IETs passing through to the two freight trains to all the turbos we've seen, and the 158s, double 158s, etc. So yeah, very nice mixture of trains. So if you did like what you saw, don't forget to leave a big fat like, guys. Any feedback would be greatly appreciated. And until next time, from me here at a very beautiful, scenic and sunny Bradford-on-Avon, I'll see you all soon, guys. Take care.